With fall in full swing, it's time to bid farewell to the scorching Texas summers and embrace the crisp, cozy vibes of fall. What better way to celebrate the season than by transforming your home's exterior with the latest and most exciting fall decoration trends of 2023? Hey, it's Rebecca from Southwest Exteriors, and welcome back to the Home Solutions channel. In this video, we'll dive into the top 6 exterior fall decoration trends that will not only make your home the envy of the neighborhood, but also provide you with creative and fun DIY projects to enjoy. Number 1, pumpkin spice and everything nice. Kicking off our list is a timeless classic, pumpkins. This year, take your pumpkin game up a notch by opting for different shapes, sizes, and colors. You can also carve or paint them for added charm, and this activity is not only perfect for some family fun, but it adds a personal and unique touch to your home. Number 2, mum's the word. Mix and match various shades like deep maroons, vibrant yellows, and rich purples to create an eye-catching display that's both vibrant and inviting. Number 3, rustic wreaths, a cozy welcome. Welcome guests with a rustic wreath that screams fall. Incorporate natural elements like twigs, pine cones, and dried leaves into your wreath for a cozy cabin-in-the-woods vibe. Number 4, harvest welcome signage. Personalized greetings. Swap out your regular old welcome mat for a seasonal one that screams harvest time. Personalize it with your family name or a warm greeting to make your guests feel right at home. Number 5, fairy lights galore, a magical ambiance. Don't let the shorter days dim your outdoor charm. String up some warm, inviting fairy lights around your porch, patio, or even in your trees. These lights create a magical ambiance perfect for those crisp fall evenings. Number 6, cozy blanket throws. Wrap your outdoor furniture in soft, comfy blankets. This not only adds warmth, but also gives your space a snug, huggy-inspired look. And there you have it. There are 6 top exterior fall decoration trends of 2023. From rustic wreaths to cozy blankets and everything in between, there are endless ways to spruce up your home's exterior this season. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to the channel and like this video for more home solutions. Thank you for stopping by the Home Solutions channel, where we want you to have the look you love coming home to.